Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to learn how we can install Java JDK on a Windows machine. As we know, JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and it's a distribution of Java, and it helps you to run your Java applications over the Java platform. So in this video, as I said, we want to learn how we can install Java JDK on Windows machine. So let's go and let's do it. Before doing anything, we check if we have already installed Java or any Java packet on our machine or not. So for that, we go to the search box and we type cmd and we open the command prompt. Here we just simply type Java minus version, and after that we press enter. As you see here, we get this message. It says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means that Java is not already installed on our machine. So after that, we open a browser. In this case, I use Firefox, and here we just type JDK download and we press enter. You get some links here, and here you see that this is a link of the Oracle, and we click on that under Java downloads. We go to the website of the Oracle. You see that here, and we scroll down a little bit. Here you see that we have the packet for different operating systems, and because we want to install it on Windows, so I click on Windows, and under Windows we have here the installer packet under this link here. I click on that, and after that JDK will be downloaded. Here you see that the version of the 80 version will be downloaded on our machine, and at this time of this video, the version 18 and 17 are the newest versions of Java. So we wait until it will be downloaded. So it is now done. After that, you can either click on this folder and go to the download folders, and from there double click on this file, or you can simply here click on this file. I just do it. I just click on this file here, and it goes for the installation. Here we will be asked if we want to allow this application to do changes on our machine. We say yes, and we go to the next steps. Here Java SE Development Kit version 80 will be installed on our machine. We have to just click on next, and on this window you can change the directory that you want to install your Java. So if you don't have any specific reason, any good reason, so let it as it is and just click on next. But if you want to change the directory and you want to install Java on another directory as a default directory, so you click on change. In this video, because of some reason I changed the directory, I want to install Java in another directory. But as I said, you can let it as it is and you press next. So I change the directory first. Here I select another directory, data directory, and after that I select a folder name for that, JDK-18, and I press OK. You see that the directory is now changed, and after that I click on next. We wait until it will be installed. Now the installation is is done and Java is installed on our machine. If you want, here you see that, click next steps to access tutorials, API documentation, and so on. If you want it, you can click here and go further. If you don't want it, you just can click on close. So now Java, the packet of Java is installed on our machine, but we cannot still use it. We have to do something else until we can use this Java packet on our machine. So we go back to the search box, and here we just type environment, and you see that here edit the system environment variables. We go to the system variables, we click on that, and here under the advanced tab we have the environment variables. We click on environment variables, and under the system variables we have to define a new one. So I click on new. Here under the variable name we have to give Java underline home. It is the Java home. It must be in capital form, and after that variable value. So you go back here to the directory that you have installed Java. In this case I've installed it under data. I go to this directory and we search for the folder that we have selected for Java. You see that here it was the folder. So I open this folder, and here are all of the directories and folders of Java and the files. So the most important one is the bin directory. Here what I do is I just click here and I make a copy of this directory. I go back to the system environments, and under the variable value I paste this directory here that I had, and I click on OK. You see that now it is added here, but we have to define it under the path also. We click on path, and after that we click on edit here. After that we click on new. We have to set a new variable, new, and here we define it as it is Java underline home %bin. And this \bin, it means that it reads the data from Java home that we have just set here, and from that we'll read the files under the bin directory, this directory that we have here. And after that you just click OK and OK and OK. Now we check one more time if we have installed Java successfully on our machine or not. Don't forget, you have to reopen the command prompt. So we close it first and we go to the search box, we type cmd and we open the command prompt again, and here we test it one more time with Java space minus version, and we print enter. This time you see that Java version 18.0.2.1 at this date, and it is now installed on our machine. It means that right now you can use Java version 80 for all of your Java applications. So that's it. I hope that you like it.